Vitamin C plays an important role in maintaining the health of your blood vessels, bones, and immune system. It is an antioxidant, which helps to protect your cells. Let's check the symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. Bleeding gums. Red patches on skin. Nose bleeding. Joint pain. Fatigue. Impaired immunity. Splitting hair. Common cold. Foods that's rich in vitamin C. Amla. Guava. Bell pepper. Kiwi. Broccoli. Lemon. You can also take vitamin C through multivitamin tablets. There are various brands providing vitamin C tablets. For example, Vitamin C CAC 1000 Plus, Nutri-C, C-Con. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest interesting health-related videos.